morning, children. Today we are going to do Unit 8, What's in the Mailbox. What's in the Mailbox? The name of the poem is What's in the Mailbox. Have you ever received a letter? Have you ever received a letter? If you haven't, see what this child decides to do. If you haven't, see what this child decides to do. Now, this is a short and small poem. It is about what's in the mailbox. Do you remember, children, in olden days, how the letters and how the communication was done? In olden days, it was started with birds, pigeons. If you want to pass some communication, if you want to inform someone, the birds were trained like that. The birds were the postmen. They used to take the letters or the information tied and they used to pass it on to other person. Then slowly you must have seen that we used to write on a piece of a cloth. On that, few of them can pass the messages like that. Few messages were passed by writing on a piece of a cloth. Usually we used to see in the stories of Akbar and Birbal, in the court, the messenger used to come, something written on piece of a cloth, then used to unroll it and he used to read it loudly in presence of the king. Then after that, few more years ahead, it started envelopes. These are the covers, envelopes, then inland letters, postcard. People used to write on this and they used to post it in the mailbox. This is a mailbox. And the postman used to bring the letters to each and everybody's home looking at the address. Nowadays, you must have seen that how communication is so fast. It is through emails or WhatsApp or other communication which is very faster. Nowadays you must have noticed that postman or something is provided because of the email and WhatsApp. So this small and sweet poem is about the what's in the mailbox. It is about the child in the poem watches the postman bringing letters for his mother or father. The child, you can see over here, it is a child who is watching that the postman bring letter for his mother or father. But the postman never brings any letter for him. Any letter for her. The child then decides to write a letters to his friend. Then what happened one day? The child decides to write a letter to his friends. He is sure that his friends will reply to his letter. How much sure he is? He is very much sure that his friends will reply to his letters. Thus, he will also receive letters like his parents. Okay. Over here the child is thinking, looking at the postman, that this postman brings letters for my parents, mother and father. But I don't get any letters. So what the child here thinks, the child decides that he will write the letter to his friends. So when the friends receives the letter, they will reply to his letter or to her letter. Here, did you follow? Here the child is thinking about the postman. He brings letters for each and everyone. But here the child is all alone because she doesn't get any letters from the postman. So she herself decides to write letter to his or her friends so that in reply they will send to her. कविता में बच्चा डाकिया को अपनी माँ या अपने पिताजी के लिए चिट्ठियाँ लाते हुए देखता है, लेकिन वह जो डाकिया पोस्टमैन कभी भी उसके लिए कोई चिट्ठी नहीं लाता. द पोस्टमैन डजंट ब्रिंग एनी लेटर फॉर हर. बच्चा निर्णय करता है. द चाइल्ड डिसाइड्स कि वह अपने दोस्तों को चिट्ठियाँ लिखेगा. वॉट द चाइल्ड डिसाइड्स ओवर हियर कि शी विल राइट लेटर फॉर द टू हर फ्रेंड्स. उसे पूरा विश्वास है कि उसके दोस्त की चिट्ठियाँ का जवाब देंगे. And she is so much confidence, the child is so much confidence that as soon as the friends will receive the letter, they will reply her soon. इस प्रकार वह भी अपने माता पिता की तरह चिट्ठियाँ प्राप्त करेगा. And like that she will also receive the letters how her parents receives the letter from the postman. Now we will read the poem. Most always when the postman comes, most always when the postman comes, with letter 2 or 3, with letters 2 or 3, they are for my mother or my dad, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me, but never one for me. ज़्यादातर जब डाकिया 2 या 3 चिट्ठियों के साथ आता है तो वो मेरी माँ या मेरे पिताजी की होती है, लेकिन वह मेरे लिए कभी भी एक भी चिट्ठी नहीं लाया है. I am going to write some letters though. I am going to write some letters though. That's what I am going to do. That's what I am going to do. And then my friends will answer me, and then my friends will answer me, and I will get letters too, and I will get letters too. जब अब मैं कुछ चिट्ठियाँ लिखने जा रही हूँ और तब मेरे दोस्त उनका जवाब लिखेंगे, फिर मैं भी चिट्ठियाँ प्राप्त करूँगी. Here what the girl decides. I will also write letter to my friends, so my friends will reply me while reading my letter as soon as possible. So once again we'll read the poem, children. What's in the mailbox? Most always when the postman comes, with letters 2 or 3, with letters 2 or 3. They are for my mother or my dad, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me, but never one for me. I am going to write some letters. I am going to write some letters though. That's what I am going to do. That's what I am going to do. And then my friends will answer me. What will happen? Then my friends will answer me. And I'll get letters too. See, children, if you write a letter to your friend, but naturally your friend will also be very happy to reply. Nowadays WhatsApp is going on, right? If on WhatsApp you do chatting, so you like to do chatting with your friends, you give reply, you do chatting, right? So like that in letters also is like that. If you send a letter to your friend conveying the regards, asking about it, how the days is going on, what about the school, what about the daily routine, so all you are sharing your talks. So same like that your friend will also share few talks of his or her daily routine, what is going on, right? Now we'll read the new words. Letters, letters, always, never, though. Letters, letters, always, never, though. So children, this is a small and sweet poem, What's in the Mailbox. As we learned in olden days how the letters, how the communication was done through the birds, then they were writing on a piece of cloth and it was shared in the court of Birbal and Akbar and everyone. They were reading loudly. Then slowly years passed by. Then it came envelopes, inland letters, covers, postcard. People started writing letters on the postcards and inland letters, because that time mobile because at that time mobile ka it was very slow communication time. Slowly it started. And after that post box they used to send it, then they post it, and then the postman used to bring it. Now after again many years passed by, mobile came. Now mobile became more easy for the communication. Emails are done, WhatsApp chatting is done through WhatsApp or through email. More communication is done faster. So like that, it is about the what's in the mailbox. Now we'll go to the exercise. Who does the postman bring letters for? डाकिया किसके लिए चिट्ठियाँ लाता है? Whom does the postman bring letter for? The postman brings letters for the child's mother or father. The answer is in the question. The postman bring letters for. You have to write only the child's mother or father. MOTHER, mother or father. You have to write this much only. Then second, does the child ever get a letter? Does the child ever get the letter? क्या बच्चा कभी चिट्ठियाँ प्राप्त करता है? No, the child never gets any letter. The answer itself in the question, you just have to write no, no. And then what will you write? The child, here only, the child never gets the letter. Third, what does the child decide to do? What does the child decide to do? बच्चा क्या करने का फैसला करता है? The child decides to write letters to his friends. Here it is in the question only. The child decides to write letters to his friends. FRIENDS, to his friends. Talk time. Have you written letters? क्या तुमने चिट्ठी लिखी है? Have you written letters? क्या तुमने चिट्ठी लिखी है? So no. Okay, you have written, so you'll write yes. Yes, I have written letters. अगर आपने लिखी है तो आप yes लिखोगे. Yes, and it is in the question only. I have written letters. WRITTEN, letters. LETTERS, letters. Then who have you written to? तुमने किसको चिट्ठी लिखी है? तुमने किसको चिट्ठी लिखी है? I have written letters to my uncle and cousins. I have written letters to my uncle and my cousins. To my uncle and my cousins. Okay. Then who would you like to write today? Why? Who would you like to write today and why? आज तुम किसको चिट्ठी लिखना चाहोगे? क्यों? Today I would like to write one of my friends. His name is Abhay. I want to write to him because today is his birthday. Today I would like to write to one of my friend. मेरे एक दोस्त को मैं लिखना चाहूँगा. उसका नाम क्या है? अभय. I want to write to him because today is his birthday. आज उसकी बर्थडे है. Read this letter carefully. अभी आप ये लेटर ध्यान से पढ़ना और देखना और सुनना. Devu has written a letter to his grandfather thanking him for a birthday gift. House number 1792. Daryaganj, New Delhi 11007, 26 January 2006. Dear grandfather, thank you for the beautiful book of Panchtantra story. Thank you for the beautiful book of Panchtantra stories. You will be happy to know that I read one story every day. With love, Devu. Now over here children, you can see the letters written by a child to his grandfather thanking him for the birthday gift. And what birthday gift did the grandfather give? That was a storybook, Panchtantra storybook it was. Right? So now we'll go to the next page. Next page we'll do this activity, paper fun. What it is? It is a paper fun. Let's make an envelope and post our letters too. Let's make an envelope and post letter too. Step by step it is shown. 1 number, take a square piece of paper. See, you can see over here, a square piece of paper is taken. 2 number, fold all the 4 corners to make fold. Fold all the 4 corners to make a fold. Fold 2 corners and paste them with a little glue. Fold 2 corners and then paste it with a little glue. Fold the 3rd corner and paste it with glue. Fold the 3rd corner and paste it with the glue. Leave the 4th corner open. See, like this way. Leave the 4th corner open. Write the address neatly on the envelope and fix it, stamp it on the right corner. Put the letter inside it. Now seal the 4th corner as well. Your letter is ready to be posted to your friends. So dear children, you saw it is so easy to make an envelope, right? You must have seen what you have to take. You have to take a square paper. Then you have to fold the corners. You have to fold 2 corners and paste it with a glue. Fold the 3rd corner, again paste it with a glue and leave the 4th corner. And then you have to paste it in the last. Okay. Now next. Now this exercise. Let's try matching A with B. Here are some people who help us. Here are some people who help us. And we have to do matching. A. 1 number a postman. 2 number a cobbler. 3 a librarian. 4 a driver. 5 a dramatist. 6 a teacher. 7 a nurse. 8 a musician. 9 an astronaut. 10 a clown. Then on this side, B side, it is drives a motorcycle, teaches in a school, looks after patients, writes play, travels in a spacecraft, make people laugh, mend our shoes, play musical instruments, walks in a library, bring our letters. Now we'll do the matching. Now you can see over here, even the pictures are given this side and on this side, right? The people who walks. Now over here we have to do the matching with the people who help us, what they do. For example, a postman. So for postman, what it does, it brings a letter. What does postman do? It brings a letter. So we'll draw a line over here. Postman brings a letter. A cobbler, what does cobbler do? Mends a shoe. So cobbler mends the shoes. A librarian. A librarian is a person who works in a library, who looks after the library. So a librarian works in a library. Then a driver. So a driver, what job it does? Drives a motor vehicle. Drives a motor vehicle. Then a dramatist. What does a dramatist do? Dramatist writes play. They write play. A teacher. What does a teacher do? A teacher teaches in a school. A nurse. Nurse looks after the patient. A musician. Musician play music. Astronauts travels in spacecraft. Travels in a spacecraft. And the last, a clown make people laugh. Clown makes people laugh. So, dear children, you saw what these people are and how they help us. They have special uniform for it. Postman, cobbler, driver, nurse, musician, astronauts, clowns, children. So these are the people who help us in different way. They have different way of helping. Astronaut is what? Who travels in a spacecraft. Astronaut is who travels in a spacecraft high up in the sky. So dear children, I hope you have understood this poem What's in the Mailbox properly. You have to write this poem in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. You have to complete the poem in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.